How to use the case dialog in More Service version 9. More Service version 9 contains a number of improvements. You will find that all the existing features are there, but that some of them have been moved to a new location. To make it quick and easy to work with case editing, we have introduced an entirely new case dialog. This is available for the case types Incident, Service, Access, and Standard Change. Click the plus icon to create a new case. Select the case type Service. A full screen display option is now available by clicking the expand icon. Start by entering the subject. In version 9, this can be expanded over several lines if needed. Enter the name of the reporting user. You can check this box if you would like the user to receive a receipt that a case has been created. In the field for reporting user, you can now click the email icon to send the email directly. The agent field has been moved next to the reporting user. If you would like to assign the case to another agent, click the cross icon to remove the pre-selected agent. Start by typing the name of the agent you want the case to be assigned to, or select one from the list. In the details section, there is a case template selector if a case template covering this case scenario has already been created. You can also manually select effects, category, priority, and objects. One of the major upgrades in More Service version 9 is the new rich text editor. You can find this in the description field, in the email, and in the work log. A good overview of the advanced text options is found by expanding the field. This will reveal the toolbar. Fill in this description. Close the full screen display. Click Save. Send the email confirmation to the reporting user if you like. When the case has been saved the first time, more options and features are available. Available options are Split Case, Show FAQ that might help to solve the case, Print, Download calendar file, Copy a link to this case, Send case, Check as problem candidate, Add new, Select new task, new work log, new email, Create service message or service log. See also related cases, create as problem, create as change, create as standard change, or manage related cases. You can also handle merge cases by the menu item Manage Merge Cases. And finally, there is the option to delete this case. It is now possible to add task directly from the task title field. When the task has been saved, you can find it by expanding the task section. There you can also confirm that the task is finalized by clicking next to it. If this happens to be part of a merged case, the attached cases are shown here. If you expand this section, you find the related cases list. That's it for a quick tour of creating and editing cases in More Service 9. We hope you find the new case dialog to be a major improvement that will make your workday better.